This is the Winston Gel Cooking and Discovery TV on the YouTube platform. This is my breakfast for today. Here on my plate I have some nice, delicious fried plantains and some very tasty fritters with some sardines, omega sardines, steak, and some escovitch style fried fish, and as well a nice fried chicken leg, and yes, some nice delicious marshmallow chocolate. This is my breakfast for this morning that I will be enjoying on the Winston Gel Cooking and Discovery TV here this morning. While listening to some nice OPM music. Tell me what you think. Yes. Flitters, fried plantains, sardine steak, omega sardine steak, and escovitch style fried fish, and yes, a nice, delicious, tasty fried chicken leg, and a cup of hot marshmallow chocolate. The marshmallows melted because I have it sitting here for a very long time. Not very long, but long enough so the marshmallows melt. Thanks for watching. Please like and share, and please subscribe to my channel in support of my channel on the Winston Gel Cooking and Discovery TV. Have a wonderful, beautiful, sunshiny day. And on the other side of the world, have a wonderful night. Get a night, very nice, lovely night's rest. See you on another Winston Gel Cooking and Discovery TV update. Have a great day, my friends, in YouTube land. Take it easy.